Some music festivals are so 1969. Some take place only once every 2 years. There are festivals that are really enervating, or those that are just one big color palette. And of course, there are the ones that sell out way too fast. There is one festival that is slightly different, that thinks outside the box and follows new paths. Created by people who are crazy enough to think that they can change the world, and therefore are the ones who do. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them, but the only thing you can't do is ignore them, because they change things. That festival can only be the Roer Festival. Slightly crazy and slightly different. 12th of July 2014 in Sint, Odiliënberg. Roer starts at 6:30.